and discuss very important topic that is called how you can optimize on page for the new website. That we mean by first of all you are as any kind of you design by page is a static website dynamic is a second preference. First how we can starting indexing for any new pages on the search engine purpose. What are the parameters you follow the SEO on page? First parameters go to on page or off page. First you can creating on page. I'm using for dynamic website. Creating no post. In this, I'm using for particular one title, swimming classes in Gachibowli. In this, we can go to using for here, and this in this I'm using for here. After writing for description, so I'm using for keyword. So when writing for any kind of options, here classes will be matching, coaching will be matching, and we can using for in this option, we can call for professional trainers. If anybody searching for swimming trainers in Gachibowli, swimming classes in Gachibowli, swimming coachings in Gachibowli, and final they are in for Hyderabad. So this is the words we can using for SEO description. First using notepad. What are the content you're sharing for everything? Copy. How many characters we can first of all check? We can write up to 320 characters. This will be only for 230 characters. How many characters? 230 characters. Control C, Control V, Control V. This will be, we can use up to 50, less than 60 character. We can exceed up to 70 also, no issues. Now SEO will be accept up to 70 characters. No issue for this option. Here two keywords are coaching and near me. So same here. In this option, we can selecting using for season in the swimming pool, providing the coaching separately for adult. Here, gen swimming pools in Kondapur, ladies swimming pools in Kondapur, kids swimming pools in Kondapur, or Gachipoli, professional trainers in Gachibowli, professional swimming trainers in Gachibowli. All keywords are matching here. Trainers in Gachibowli. Best price swimming pools in Gachibowli. Swimming pool classes price in Gachibowli. Why is I'm asking for price option. So same will be adding for the description. You can writing for your particular timings. So any content you're adding for, first of all, using Notepad is compulsory important. Which one using for? Notepad is a compulsory user important. So one any kind of you can add it here. Add your option. Break time. Select image. Image time what we can selecting. Copy. Using for download. Upload this. Evening. So you're writing for paste tag. So you can use the number option. We can use this in this particular things. Your image will be compulsory important on your particular option. So yeah, we can use all kind of things. You can using for health benefits. Writing for health benefits. Health benefits. Copy. Paste on it. Freestyle stroke here. Now click for submit. Last final option. We can click for book your slot. So where you can give by contact us page, copy, paste. We can give by which one? Hyperlink, target by the where pop window and new window. Select it. And bold, we can increase by your style here. Heading will be 2. Now click for submit. Once we writing for this option will be done. Next immediate option. This website will be showing for every content, title, description, keywords. We can check for open this URL, Control U, Control F. We can using for alt is equal to, is a scheme for your URL. Here is my keyword. What is that? Swimming classes in Gachibowli. Same image will be show to customers. Easily image will be promote here. Then next will be Control F, H1. H1 is not there. Is H1 is not there. We have to find out H1 tag compulsory. Here finish. Adding for H1. H1 is not there. So it's a major issues. We have to fix the issue here. Next thing is canonical is there. Canonical will be there. Next will be we can using for anchor is the common. Immediately we can do option is called. We can go to for XML hyphen sitemaps.com. Before indexing, we can do option is called copy this option. We can update by here. Click for more option, selecting always, and start your downloading URL. When it is finishing, when you update it for in this sitemap where your cPanel, we can do for indexing will be start. Without doing cPanel, no index will be done. It's impossible by any URL. First, we can do the XML sitemap. We can start by indexing. So you don't have any cPanel access. That is, you can go for where webmaster updating for the URL inspection. But XML sitemap before you have to submit by the particular URL. So links will be done in the procedure. We can go for it. Any download folder, XML sitemap is there, existing one. We can check it out. Is there? Remove it. Download option. Immediately we can log in for cPanel. cPanel will be login here. Once login, where you can go to file manager. In this Sometimes open public underscore directly. Open public underscore HTML, upload. Before upload, this is a small syntax will be recently facing problem. Before upload, old XML sitemap, remove it. Upload the new one. When you're replacing time, we are facing some issues from the cPanel. So that is called remove the old one, upload the new one. After immediate, we can do option is called go to Google Webmaster, sign in. Immediately we can do option is called checking for XML sitemap. Our new URL is there. Which URL? In this is a new URL. Yes or no? Copy this option, open the site. After .com, sitemap.xml, Control F, Control V. You can check it out. Is URL there or not? You will find out. Next, go to Webmaster. Select your option here. In this, select your sitemap. Immediately you can do for how many links right now? 10. Next, immediately do for XML sitemap updating for your Webmaster. Do it in fast. Done. Now how many links will be there? Here 10. Now you can go for refresh. Now will be 16. So check it out. Is it correct or not? In this, total option will be here. So in this coverage, you can check the all options here. So in this, all will be in this particular things. Next will be your inspection. Select it and index it. When indexing time will showing for here, sitemap matching or not. Any referring page not detected. Lost crawl cases, anything will be here. First you are mapping for sitemap, compulsory had show. None of the above, nothing but nothing will be there. So always showing for URL in sitemap. Now click for request to index. The URL will be not in sitemap, they give the showing syntax. Once URL is showing in sitemap, we can do the URL inspection. There is a fast indexing purpose. Where in the search engine part. And URL instruction we can use for don't exceed by 30 characters. So there is also we can follow the instruction in the new rule in the option. And don't follow the copy content. Always any content you are pasting on this, use the notepad content. Don't use the Wattpad content. Done and live. This will be show the procedure on this one. After this procedure will be finished. Now this content will be sharing to the customer. Just copy in this, select your Facebook option by using image. So when you're sharing Facebook time for social media, indexing is a fast. Image is not visible. We can click once more time. Not visible. Now click for leave and one more time we can click. Number of time we can do is the third time the image will be appear. Select the image in this. Select the hashtag. When I'm using hashtag, people know about the keyword. Not at the rate is the hash. Is there nothing but you can tag the any person also. You can go for story and newsfeed. Both options flexible. Where is the your story and timeline? But I'm sharing first of all your page. Page you can share it by your anywhere. This is a compulsory indexing your complete your pages. Your page name compulsory using for hashtags. Check in. Where is located by? Gachibowli. So a lot of places which is your more information will be there. How many people are in checking location? 1,74,000. Select it here and check your post. Social media also more effective to the customer in the indexing part also. These are the parameters we can do in the particular option. So first thing is SEO, title, description, keyword. Each content will be using alt tag, header tag, canonical, and using for XML sitemap, robo.txt using webmaster. These 9 parameter compulsory you have to follow. Title, description, keywords, alt tag, header tag, canonical, Dora.txt, XML sitemap, webmaster indexing for XML sitemap, and URL inspection. This parameter you have to follow the Google thing. Same like we can do the Bing also. That is called submit the URL option where Bing webmaster tool.